So I hope so
Hi everyone, good morning.
So I hope so everyone has done their second CTM. Please take out your face washes. I'm using this face wash. You must be noticing that I'm using every day a different product. After using a product regularly on daily basis, your skin gets immune to it. So let's start with the face wash. Start doing your face washes, guys. Basic technique. Those who have joined today, I've just taken the face wash and I'm just rubbing onto my face. Nothing else. Avoid your under eye area. Do circular movements in this particular manner. Process nicely. Please go and wash your face. Everyone has washed their face. Get your toners ready. I am taking Innisfree toner today. Take out your cotton pads, and if you don't have your cotton pads, you can take your toner in between your hands and you can apply it directly to your skin. I'm taking my toner on my cotton pad and gently dabbing it. I got so many people who have joined yesterday. Are you guys done with your toner? Okay, some people have joined in now. Hi Quincy, hi Anchal, guys. Please log in 5 minutes before the session starts. We have already done with our face wash and toner, and today I will be showing you how to do face wax. So this is a wooden spatula. I am using Brazilian wax today. I already have my wax heater and my wax, which is already hot there. So I'm just taking some wax on my wooden spatula. I'll be showing you, don't worry. So I've taken the wax. In Brazilian wax, you don't need any strips, okay? So I'm just checking the temperature, that is it too hot or is it fine? Letting it be normal. Okay, and I'm doing my upper lips now. Always start in smaller areas, okay? Don't try to cover a big patch. Always do it in very small patches so that you can have a control on it. After this, just press your wax nicely, because many people are, very new to these kind of waxes, so you can also harm your skin. So don't be in a hurry. Take your time. After this, stretch your skin like this and you can pull it off, or you can also do like this. And it's done. It is not at all tough. Just pay attention. If you want to use a smaller wooden spatula, you can. If you think that you can't handle this much big spatula, it is absolutely fine. I'm doing it again, but not on the same area, because I want it to cool down. अगर आप बार बार करोगे तो skin भी वहाँ से peel हो जाएगी, guys. आप इतने छोटे छोटे एरियाज लेके करोगे, so then it is absolutely easy. Stretch your skin. And it's done. And I'm doing this wax because so many of you have requested me that please show it to us, how to remove our facial hair. Everybody can't do the threading, they can't use this thread on their own, so it's much better. Then I'm again doing it on my outer corner. Be careful. Sometimes you can drop your wax here or there. And it's done. I hope so it is clear to you. It's not at all tough. It takes a little bit of practice and then you can master it. So should we proceed? So start applying your face mask if you have this kind of consistency. If you have thin consistency, then it will start dripping. I have normal to dry skin, so I have made my mask accordingly. Are you guys feeling some change in your skin? Your uneven skin tone, your dehydration is improving? Anything? Anyone?
I think my skin has become much smoother and softer, and also like my tanning has gone a little bit, like in 2 days.
That's
much
nice.
Better.
I'm so happy to hear that.
हर वक्त जो डलनेस लगता था ना स्किन में, वो इम्प्रूव हो रहा है, स्किन ग्लो लगती है.
Nice. Wow, who's this? Nikki. Yeah, hi. आपके साथ कौन है? आप दोनों एक दूसरे पे कर रहे हो and it is looking so good.
Yeah, I know. She's my sister, and we are siblings. मतलब Nilisha is also my sister.
Okay, okay. So guys, I think so many people are coming now. Please आप 5 minutes पहले लॉग इन कर लिया करो because मैं वॉश कर रही हूँ या कोई पैक दिखा रही हूँ तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, ध्यान रखना कि कुछ लोग अभी भी लॉग इन कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, does this look fine now?
Yes, better Manya. Start applying, darling.
Can we apply with fingers?
You can. And I'm already wearing my dress, so I can't go till here. But you guys can go till here. I'm not doing it today because I can stain my clothes. I'm just being extra conscious. But you should apply your face mask always till your neck. Never ever avoid it. I think so. I've got some solution. Put some tissue. How many people are doing their exercises every day?
Online exercise.
Good. You are doing it now. Good. Trust me, guys. I don't want to do it. My body tells me every day, I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Come on. No, don't do this torture to me. And my husband tells me, get up. Come on, you lazy ass.
Actually, we are bored of sleeping also now.
I know.
बोल दिख रहा है आपको?
हाँ, अब दिख रहा है. Perfect. Do it, do it, do it. I just want to share this with you guys. It's a little funny. I've got 5 to 6 messages of my girl gang saying that my husband is saying, can I join? So I said, tell him no. It's a girl gang. Only girls can enter.
Yeah.
Yes, I can tell your husband he can do his own CTM according to his skin type. So if your friend, your boyfriend, your partner are watching this and they are having normal to oily skin, you can tell them to use green tea face wash or tea tree face wash. If they are having normal to oily skin and some breakouts on a regular basis, they can also use this face wash. It is called charcoal face wash and it is a purifying face wash. Okay, and tell them to use astringent as a toner and water-based moisturizer. They should not skip their moisturizer. Is that okay?
Dry skin वालों को चारकोल प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करना चाहिए? नहीं करना चाहिए.
और ड्राई हो जाएगा. आप ग्रीन टी कर सकते हो बट टी ट्री अवॉइड करो. जैसे मैंने आज यूज किया है, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रीन टी. ये कर सकते हो आप, बट टी ट्री नहीं. और जिनके भी नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन है उनकी ग्राम फ्लावर किया है बेसन, सो वो धीरे धीरे टाइट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. गाइज जस्ट डोंट टॉक. ओके, if you want to ask me anything you can just type in here and I'll read your messages. Still some people are coming.
Ma'am.
So I hope so your points, your doubts are clear. What is the importance of CTM? Why you should do it? Yeah, tell me, darling. Tell me.
I just wanted to ask, is this fine? But this is cleansing oil milk, re-nourishing cleansing oil milk by L'Oreal. Can I use this as a moisturizer?
Cleansing oil? No, darling, this is a cleansing oil. If you have your makeup on, so you can take it and you can remove your makeup. This is not a moisturizer, darling. Moisturizer will always have hydrating thing written on them. Hydrating, moisturizing. They will never ever write cleansing. Cleansing
Okay, so is
to clean your skin or to clean your makeup or to melt your makeup. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I use this one.
Yeah, morning nectar. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it has purified water and some seed oils, leaf pulp.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so guys, go and
Thank
watch
you.
this.
Hi Shikha, I just want to know one thing, that is this an instant glow pack or something related? What is actually this pack is?
This is skin brightening.
It's more like a Upton.
No, it's not like it is not having any scrubbing agent into it.
Wheat flour.
No, wheat flour is not a scrubbing.
We felt like we can scrub also.
No, if you'll add orange peel powder, if you'll add red, dal powder, then it will be having scrubbing agent into it. So wheat flour is a binding agent, जिससे product लगता है, चिपकता है. बट स्क्रबिंग एजेंट नहीं है डार्लिंग, और हमने इसको स्क्रब भी नहीं करा, हमने सिर्फ इसको वॉश करा है। हाँ स्टिक हो जाता है, अगर स्टिक नहीं होगा तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स अंदर कैसे जाएंगे, यू नो।
Right.
टेक आउट योर मॉइस्चराइजर नाउ।
दी हाउ लॉन्ग apply this brightening pack, ये जो भी हमने किया वैसे?
For good 5 to 7 minutes, because you know now we'll be doing it daily. So I don't want your face packs to be dry 100%. And don't leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, because you are not going to do it, you know, once a week or once in 10 days. We'll be doing it every day. Something new. So you're...
Okay. Like sometimes turmeric has that yellow color ना, जिसमें मेरे hand पे तो थोड़ा सा आगे, but I think not on the face. But वो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि face पे थोड़ा सा?
हाँ वो रहता है, so वो थोड़ी देर में चला जाएगा, don't worry. और नहीं भी जाएगा तो आप जब शाम को CTM करेंगे, so it will go. I know turmeric के skins रहते हैं, और आपने थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डाल दिया होगा तो पीला पीला फील जाता है. Your face goes yellow after using turmeric in your packs. So
it gets fine after.
It's fine. It's absolutely fine. It has antiseptic properties, so don't worry. And whenever you'll be doing your CTM again, whether in the evening or late night, it will go away.
Ma'am, I want to share one thing. So there's this Upton that you made, and you know I have that Upton. I sometimes apply that at night. But पता है क्या हो जाता है, face इतना yellow हो जाता है. My brother says कि भाई तूने क्या कर लिया है? And now I realize कि शायद हम बहुत ज़्यादा देर के लिए रख देते हैं उसको. We just have to keep it for some time, for a few minutes. That's it. So,
and अगर कभी ऐसा हो जाता है, so after that, you know, after doing the Upton, just take a little bit of your face wash and just do your face wash. The color of turmeric will go away.
And also there's one thing that I learned कि face packs should be done in the middle of your CTM और अलग से नहीं, मतलब.
Of course.
So I never used to apply my moisturizer after it. I thought कि यार उसका effect रहना चाहिए. So I got to learn.
Pack on a dirty face, it will not work. If you do it after you're moisturizing, then again you have to do moisturizing, because it will take little bit of hydration from your face. So you should not do it after your moisturizer. You should always do it before your moisturizer and after your toner and your cleanser. Yeah. So can
Thank you.
You're welcome. Always welcome. So can we proceed further? I am applying my Innisfree lotion. Okay, you apply your moisturizer or any kind of serum if you want.
Shikha di, I have this shea butter and honey body lotion. ये तो face पे नहीं लग सकता ना?
No, not at all, darling. You can't apply body lotion on your face. So I've applied little bit product on my face, then I've warmed the product nicely, and now I'm just trying to make that product go into my skin. Those who have joined just now, or maybe today is their first session, guys, look at the way how I'm doing it and follow the same pattern. Never ever avoid your neck. Whatever the product is left in your hands, put the same product on your neck, on the back of your neck. Do a little bit of pinching movements. Just pinch your cheeks. Do tapping movements like this. It helps your product to go inside your skin. Do tapping movements. Can you see? My cheeks have gone red because of this pinching movements. Do this, guys. Don't pinch too harshly, please. Be gentle. It's your own skin. Okay. And tap the product inside your skin. Tap it. And try to make that product go into your skin. Take your time. It will take some time. So yeah, it's done.
I'm saying whenever we are applying any face pack, do we not have to apply the essential oil?
No, it's not like that. You can. If you're not getting too much of sweat, you can apply oil, but I am avoiding it. And
yeah, that's what.
Why am I avoiding? Because I'm doing my CTM in the night, so my skin is absolutely hydrated. And using these kind of packs with honey, with turmeric, my skin is just loving it. There is no hard and fast rule of using oils.
Okay.
Okay, so Kunchi is still doing her moisturizer. Karishma, are you done with your moisturizer?
Is this okay for normal to oily skin?
Yes, it's very good. Oil-free moisturizer.
It has glycerin in this. It's written.
Show me. Darren, just show me the name. Yeah. It says oil-free moisturizer from Mama Earth, right? If it is not giving you
Yeah.
any kind of zits, and if it says that it is a water-based moisturizer, you can use it. But if it is saying that glycerin-based, then it will give you zit.
I also have this, but I've not opened this. Like it's for acne-prone skin.
You don't have acne.
That is why I'm.
Yeah, Sumiti's skin is normal to oily, right, Sumiti?
Yeah. Right.
It's fine for oily skin.
Show me, Gitika. Yes, it is fine. It is fine, baby. It's very good. So people who are having, normal to oily skin, please use water-based moisturizer. People who are having skin like me, normal to dry, they should use, rich, heavy base moisturizer. And because I'm aging as well, so I don't want my aging to come faster. Of course, I can't, stop it, but I can delay it. So yes, I'm doing my bit. You do yours. Can't see your screen.
This is a L'Oreal Hydrogel.
Yeah, you can anti-shine. Is your skin normal to
Yes,
oil?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have small pores on my face.
And it will give you a matte effect, huh? It is anti-shine. So yes, you can. You can. Guys, I've done my CTM today with all of you, and I've also done my homemade mask, which I shared with you last night. So I hope so you enjoyed this session. Time to say goodbye. So have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Nice session.
Bye, darling. Bye. Have a nice. Bye.